Good morning, fellow traders. Paul Wood here. So I have the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, June the 30th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX was up like $1 yesterday. So green on the monthly chart, green on the weekly chart, but kind of narrow range here as we head into a holiday weekend. Keep an eye on your McClellan oscillator right here. We're still we're in the teens right now, so I mean nothing really looking like crash mode or anything like that. But just something to keep an eye on over the next couple weeks. Kind of a red doji day yesterday at fresh all-time highs. So these narrow range days have been kind of sketchy, right? Kind of looks like things are getting a little bit running out of steam. And you can see our impulsive wave right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we gap down here this morning, we may actually start an ABC correction. Maybe we'll fill this gap. Maybe we'll test, a couple of these levels down here. So we'll just kind of keep an eye on the price action as here we go. We actually have a lot of economic data coming out this morning. So that could budge things a little bit. And we got some Fed speakers today, stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here this morning. Okay, so SPY actually lost its geometric line early this morning, then kind of rallied back up and got above it. So let's see if that can continue to hold here going into today. S&P futures similar, actually formed a fresh signal zone on the way up right here, so it ended up tagging the all-time or the overnight lows, and we'll see how it holds going into today. It could be an interesting one. If we lose the overnight lows in the signal zone below, we've got all the VPOCs below, so watch out for a VPOC domino effect in case they want to do that this week. MES, again, same thing, right? We just want to keep an eye on our geometric line. It's interesting how we lost the geo line here overnight. It was really not much going on there. The European market had like some rough stuff, so it just was a geometric drop right there, and having trouble getting above it right now. If we can get above that today, then we might start to mess around with all-time highs again. Still with the Qs. Qs still staying over the geometric line, so some relative strength there, some relative weakness in the small caps. They lost their triangle yesterday, so again, if they can get above this geometric line, things could look good. The big thing that's weighing on that is the banks. Right, so the banks had a little bit of a boost yesterday and then lost the geometric line, and they're kind of ticking lower here this morning. So keep an eye on that. They can weigh on the market. The VIX is actually starting to get a little bit perky. It moved up off of the support level that we talked about yesterday, and we're kind of up this morning, but it's kind of fallen back a little bit here this morning too. So just kind of keep an eye on the VIX, see if we can get over the pre-market highs if they want to get interesting. Apple down this morning. Let's see if we can get over yesterday's highs. I had a great move yesterday, so let's just see if they can continue that over yesterday's highs. Tesla. So Tesla with an inside day yesterday. It's already kind of testing those inside day lows. Watch if it breaks down below there. We'll see if it comes down and tests the daily cloud. Bitcoin. Let's take a look. So Bitcoin down about 1,600 right now, so it gave a pretty decent rally up there. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubba Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.